AI isn't going to replace real estate appraisers, but an appraiser who uses AI, they'll replace the ones who don't. Welcome to AI for Appraisers, the channel where real estate pros learn how to work faster, smarter, and future-proof their careers. Right now, appraisers are stuck between two worlds. One, the traditional process, long reports, manual data entry, hours lost to paperwork. And two, the world of artificial intelligence, exploding with potential but hard to navigate. Most of what you see online about AI, it's built for marketers, coders, or creatives. But what if there were a space just for real estate professionals, where you could learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and more, specifically to speed up and improve your appraisal work? Let's be real, most appraisers have no time to figure out AI. This channel teaches you exactly that. Think of this as your step-by-step guide to becoming the most future-ready professional in your market. Every week, there will be practical, no-nonsense tutorials that you can apply immediately. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning with AI, hit that subscribe button.